Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is my sixth session of the topic determinant. In previous class, we studied area of a triangle depends on area of a triangle. We discuss examples on it. In today's class, let we start with minors and cofactor. In this section, we will learn to write the expression of a determinant in the form of using minors and cofactors. Let us start with definition one by one. Minor is nothing but element of a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Yes, minor is nothing but the element of a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in which element aij lies. For example, if aij lies in first row a11, then you have to delete first row first column. Whatever the elements are remaining, you have to find that simplification. Okay, minor is always denoted as capital Mij. Before we starting with the examples, there is a note: minor of an element of a determinant of order n into n is greater than 2 is determinant of order n minus 1. To understand this note, let us take example this only: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3 cross 3 determinant. If you delete first row and first column to find a11 element, whatever the elements are getting, that is nothing but 2 cross 2 will get. That is nothing meaning of that determinant. Note. Okay, let us start the example. Find the minor of an element 6 in the determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First you have to see 6 lies in which row and which column. 6 lies in second row, third column. That is nothing but minor of m23. Are you understood? Then you have to find this minors, you have to delete second row and third column. What will get? Minor of 2, 3 is equals to, right, remaining 4 elements 1, 2, 7, 8, and simplify this. 8 1 is 8 minus 7 2 is 14, will get minus 6. Are you understood this example? Earlier class also we did same thing, but we will use up there 1 into determinant, but here don't use that a11. Okay, then now start with definition of cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but element is aij is denoted at capital Aij, defined by minus of I plus j into minor of ij, where mij is a minor of aij. If you start with example, you can understood what is the definition of cofactor. Okay, let us start with examples. Find the minor and cofactor of all the element of a determinant 1, minus 2, 4, 3. To start this solution, we know determinant is nothing but a1, a12, a1, a2, a12, determinant of a11, a12, a21, a22. To find minor first element a11, you have to delete first row first column. What are the elements are remaining? a22, that is a minor of a11. Okay, similarly see here, minor of 11, delete first row and first column, will get What are the remaining element? 3, that is a minor of 3. Okay, minor of 1, 2, delete first row, second column, first row, second column. Then what are the minor of 1, 2, 4? What are the remaining element? You have to write if it is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, minor of 2, 1, delete second row, first column. Minor of 2, 1 is what? Minus 2. Similarly, minor of 2, 2, delete second row, second column. What are the minor of 2, 2 is 1. Okay, cofactor. How to find the cofactor? We know the formula, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor of 1, 1. That implies cofactor is always denoted as A11 or Aij. A11, cofactor of A11, minus 1 to the power, here I is 1 and j is 1, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor of 1, 1. Minor of 1, 1 is known, 3. Minus 1 square into 3 is equals to minus 1 square, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1 will get plus 1 into 3, 3, that is 3. Okay, A12, cofactor of A12 is equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor of 1, 2. We find minor of 1, 2 is 4, minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 will get minus 1. See here, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 1, minus 1 into 4, minus 4 will get. A21 is equals to, cofactor of A21 is equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into minor of 21. Minor of 21 is known, minus 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 means what? Minus 1 will get. Minus 1 into minus 2 will get plus 2. Okay. A22, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into minor of 2, 2 is equals to minus 1 to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 into 1 will get 1. Okay, are you understood how to find the minor and cofactor? Let us take this third one example, will be the homework. Okay, next example, find the minor and cofactor of all the element of the determinant 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1 and 0, 1, 2. Which are the problem from the exercise 4.2. Okay, let us start the solution. Minor of A11, but here it is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, delete here first column and first row, delete first column and first row. What will get? 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Yes, 5 2s are 10, minus of 1 into minus 1, minus 1 means what? Minus into minus plus, 10 plus 1, 11. Then how to find cofactor? Cofactor of 1, 1, 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor of 1, 1. Minor of 1, 1 is what? 11. 11 into minus 1 to the square. Minus 1 square is what? Plus 1. Plus 1 into minor of 1, 1, 11. Sorry, I did mistake here. Instead of 11 I had written here 3. You make that correction. 11 into 3 will get 11. Make that correction and you have to write correct one in your book. Okay. Then minor of 1, 2 is equals to, you have to 1, 2 means what? You have to delete first row, second column. What are the remaining element? 3 minus 1, 0, 2. See here, I am written here. Then multiply. 3 2s are minus 6. 0 into minus 1, 0 will get 6, and cofactor of 1, 2 is equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor of 1, 2 will get minus 1 to the power 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 means what? Minus 1 into minor of 1, 2 is 6. Minus 1 into 6 will get minus 6. Okay. Minor of 1, 3 is equals to, delete first row and third column. How to delete first row and third column, that one. Then what are the remaining element? 3, 5, 0, 1. Okay, then multiply, simplify this. 3 ones are 3, 5 into 0, 0 is equals to 3. Minor of 1 3 is 3. Then you have to find the cofactor of 1 3. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into minor of 1 3. I know minor of 1 3 is 3. In minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 3 will get plus 3. Yes. Then minor of 2 1. You have to delete second row first column. What are the remaining elements? 0 4 1 2. 0 4 1 2. Then simplify. 0 into 2 0. 1 into 4 minus 4 will get. Minus of 1 into 4 minus 4 is equals to minus 4. Minor of 2 1 is minus 4. Then cofactor of 2 1 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into minor of 2 1. I know minor of 2 1 is minus 4. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus into minus 4. Minus 4. Sorry. Here plus 4 will get. Please make that correction. Okay. M22 minor of A22. Delete second row second column. Then what are the remaining element? 1402. 1402. Right here. 200. 1 4 is 2 1s are 2 minus 4 into 0 0 will get 2. Minor of 2 2 is 2 and cofactor of A22 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into minor of 2 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 into minor of 2 2 is 2 will get 2 into 1 will get 2 here. Then minor of 2 3 delete second row third column. Then what are the element? 1 0 0 1. Then 1 into 1 1 0 minus 0 into 0 0 will get 1. Minor of 2 3 is 1 and cofactor of 2 3 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into minor of 2 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minor of 2 3 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 will get minus 1. Okay. Then minor of 2 3. Minor of 2 3 is over. The minor of 3 1. Delete third row first column. What are the remaining elements? 0 4 5 minus 1 will get 0 4 minus 1 into 0 0 minus 5 into 4 minus 20 will get. This is the minor of 3 1. Then cofactor of A31 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into minor of 3 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 is what? Plus 1 into minus 20. Plus 1 into minus 20 will get minus 20. Yes. Then minor of 3 2. 3 2 is what? Delete third row second column. Write remaining element 1 4 3 minus 1. Then multiply. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus of 3 4s are minus 12 will get minus 1 minus 12 will get minus 13 and cofactor of A32 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into minor of 3 2. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5 into minus 13. Minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 into minus 13 plus 13 will get. Yes. Then minor of 3 3. Delete third row third column. Delete third row third column. What are the remaining element? 1 0 3 5. Simplify this. 5 1s are 5. 3 into 0 minus 0 will get 5. Minor of 3 3 is 5. Then cofactor of A33 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into minor of 3 3 is 5. Minus 1 to the power 6 is 1 into 5 will get 5. This is how to find the minor and cofactor. Are you understood? If you are not understood, watch again. Okay, let us start. Next question. Okay, here how to find reason for minor and cofactor. For this matrix, represent the determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. In the mathematical term, determinant is equals to this A11 into cofactor of A11 plus A12 into cofactor of A12 plus A13 into cofactor of A13. We can start with any row or you can take any column. To solve this, you have to delete the first row and first column, then find the determinant. But there is a neat and clean way to write the mathematically, like A11 into cofactor of A11, A12 into cofactor of A12, A13 into cofactor of A13. Similarly, if you take second row, then minor of A21 into cofactor of A21 plus minor of A22 plus cofactor of A22 plus minor of A23 into cofactor of A23. Yes, A31 into cofactor of A31 plus minor of A32 into cofactor of A32 plus A33 into cofactor of A3. Let us we solve this example in next class, but you have to know this how to solve this. For a node, if an element of a row are multiplied with the cofactor of any other row or column, then their sum is 0. For example, minor of A11 into cofactor of A22, minor of A11 into cofactor of A22 plus minor of A12 into cofactor of A22 plus minor of A13 into cofactor of A23. This is different. A13 and cofactor of A23 is different. That sum is what will get 0. Yes. If you simplify this, what will get? See, A11 into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, what will get? If you A11, if you delete this row and this column, what will get? A22 into A13, A32 into A33. If you simplify this, we'll get two rows are identical. Means what we'll get here? 0. Since R1 and R2 are identical, we can try this for another rows or column also. If you take column or row, we'll get here again 0. Only you can understood this. If I take the example, you can understood on that example only. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we start with first example. But before I am solving that example, you have to know this node. Okay. Thank you.